What's up, you guys? Happy Thanksgiving weekend. Can you believe it's Thanksgiving? Oh my God, we're at the end of the year. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to talk through this video. Hope you guys been well. So, you guys, I've been just enjoying myself making this soap. So, this right here is some turmeric and paprika soap. And it's for skincare. Believe me, trust and believe that turmeric and paprika are very good for skincare. I'm going to drop down in the description box below telling you all of the benefits of both of them. So this is a turmeric and paprika infusion that I made, and that's what you saw me adding there. So right now I'm weighing the distilled water. I make this soap totally from scratch, totally organic, totally homemade. And excuse my little background, with the oil kind of got on the paper. I should have just left the white plastic tablecloth that I used before. But anyway, you guys, my whole main goal with this soap thing that I'm doing is I'm trying to make organic. I'm actually making organic products for you guys, homemade organic products that's good for skincare. And I'm making all types of soap bars for bath and body, for skincare. I'm making shampoo bars for your hair. I'm also going to be making shampoo bars or bath bars actually for dogs. So just stay tuned. So right now, you guys, I'm melting or liquefying the hard oils like the coconut oil and the shea butter. That's what I'm doing here, and I'm just trying to whisk it just to get it, as melted and dissolved and liquefied as I can. And then I'm going to go in with my stick blender. But right now I'm pouring that beautiful colored paprika, turmeric and paprika, you guys. You'll be shocked to know the benefits of this for your skin. Shocked. So again, my websites, I already have one website from my old salon. I still have that. And like you see me saying here, turmeric is excellent for the skin. I also have paprika. Look at this beautiful color, you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful color. But I'm going to have 3 websites. I have a Shopify. I still have my salon website, which is sugarsalon.net. And right now, you guys, I'm adding the clays. There's certain clays like kaolin clay, bentonite clay that are very excellent for the skin. Excellent for the skin. I also have already made some calamine soap, but I'm going to make some new bars of that. That's for skincare too. You guys, it's for full body. It's going to be for baths, showers, for your hair, for your skin, and for your furry little pets. So just mixing this up with my stick blender. But you guys, as I was mentioning, I'm going to have 3 websites that you can buy my soaps from. So I'm going to be adding all of that to my website. And then I have a new website for my soap. I have my old website from my salon that I still have that website, which is sugarsalon.net. I'll be making mention of the soaps on there. You can buy it there too. I also have a Shopify, which is a site too that I will be posting here and there, on my social media. But tell your friends this is totally organic, and I'm making it from scratch. And you guys can tell already that I love it. I really love it. And I love the fact that it's homemade, it's organic. I'm making it for you. And most of my soaps that I'm going to be making, you can look on my YouTube video and see. I may make a separate YouTube channel. I already have the one channel, which is Sugar Salon TV. Hopefully you have already subscribed. If you have not, go ahead and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. You can just click that. You can take a picture of that QR code, or you can go to the link that's in the description box. So you guys, I'm mixing it up. I did not add any fragrance to this at all. I didn't add any coloring. I didn't add any fragrance. So here we go. Let's pour it in here. So you guys, these bars, I probably won't cut them for like maybe 3 days to a week. But when I do cut these bars, I promise you, it will be added to my next YouTube video, or I will have me cutting it, in one of my Instagram reels or on my TikTok. So please follow me, you guys, because I'm going to be soaping. I'm really loving this. So this is something that I'm passionate about. And you guys, I'm using top of the line products, organic products. And I look forward to you purchasing it. You guys have a blessed Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Please subscribe.